Hi, everybody. Susan with Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction. Well, this package arrived, I believe, Saturday. Today is Tuesday. And the boss and I keep getting busy, and he's already gone to bed. And I know we usually let the boss open all the packages because it's fun. But I want to go ahead and open this. I want to know what it is. So, those of you that look forward to the boss opening packages, I hope you'll forgive me if this time I just go ahead and open it on my own. Hi, Wells. Oh my goodness, Yorkshire Rose. It says to Bob and Susan, and it's to the boss. Um, um, well, his birthday's not till day after tomorrow. Yorkshire Rose, I am so sorry. Honey, the package, look, I want you to see Yorkshire. It says Bob and Susan Brewer, and I assumed that it was Kitty Cat Rescue. But it's to the boss for his birthday. Okay. Guys, I'm not going to show it. I'm not going to show it. I'm going to put the gift cards and the wonderful, perfect gift back in its wrapper. I'm going to go ahead and upload this short video. Just to show you, no, ma'am. No. Sorry, I don't usually scruff them, but that is a big no-no. Anywho, there's Lady Opal Moon, the boss's birthday present from Yorkshire Rose. And this has been Susan. And Lady Opal Moon, who is not usually attracted to my computer, but she certainly is now. As well as the boss's birthday. Thanks for watching. Rest well.